It is indeed a matter of great satisfaction that potent and highly capable frigate PNS طغرل and 10 Sea-King helicopters are joining the Pakistan Navy and its arm today. طغرل, by name itself, attaches us to our history, and we've been very fond of our history because that has been a glorious history. طغرل was the founder of the Seljuk dynasty and was a great military commander, and therefore this is the third naval vessel which has been named as طغرل. So Pakistan, in its increasing strength, both in the heart, in the minds, on the land, in the air, and on the sea, appreciates its history and therefore envisages that in future the strength from our history, from our character, will reflect on the new nation which is being formed. I congratulate all those who are involved in the Type 054 Alpha P frigate and Sea-King helicopters projects, and I commend the efforts of Ministry of Defense Production, Pakistan Navy, our Chinese partners, and Qatar Amiri forces for the successful induction of these platforms in Pakistan Navy. This has resulted in a timely completion of the first ship of the Type 054 class frigate and delivery of the 10 helicopters.